Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to monitor your plants using Maker Pi Pico and soil moisture sensor. With this project, we will explore the exciting features of Maker Pi Pico board, specifically the RGB new pixel and buzzer, to help us keep track of the soil conditions. With this setup, you will be able to visually identify the soil status at a glance. When the soil is wet, the new pixel will emit a blue color. When it's moist, it will turn green. And when the soil becomes dry, the new pixel will be red along with the sounding buzzer to alert you. Let's begin and learn how to do that. For this project, you will need Maker Pi Pico and soil moisture sensor. Connect the sensor to pin GP27 and 26. In this tutorial, we will use Thony editor and CircuitPython to build the code for this project. If you are not familiar with Thony, check out the video in the description to learn how to get started with it. Visit the CircuitPython website and download the latest library bundle. Unzip the file and locate these two libraries. Copy and paste them into the lib folder on your CircuitPy drive. Now open the code.py file and paste this code into it. We start by importing the necessary libraries. Then initialize the pins of the soil moisture sensor, RGB new pixel and buzzer. Right after that, the program will go into calibration mode and then print out the readings. Save the code and run it. To ensure accurate readings, the program begins with the calibration mode. During calibration, make sure the soil moisture sensor is completely dry to establish the maximum reading. Then insert the sensor into a cup of water to obtain the minimum reading. After about 5 seconds of calibration, your setup will be ready. From that point forward, you can use it normally with your plants. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned and see you next time.